How to chat with Gemini from Google Chrome address bar. Hello friends, you can chat with Gemini on Chrome browser simply from address bar. You know Gemini is the AI powered model from Google, similar to ChatGPT from OpenAI. Follow the steps for how to chat easily using this. Click on Chrome icon from the taskbar to open the browser. Type at the rate of. You will see at the rate of Gemini, chat with Gemini. Select it. Now type the phrase you want, like I am typing what is the weather around me. Press enter. Gemini will answer your question. Use this prompt to chat further. Thanks. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.